Hey, it's Sunshine Annie here, working on my DIY composition book planner. Still no cover, but we're working through March. This was the first page with the first 2 days of March. We're now coming up onto March, well, we're on March 17th, but that's the third week of March. This was what the last 2 weeks spread has been. Worked with the some bright purple tones. And this week, in honor of St. Patrick's Day and spring, I am putting in green. And I kept the middle lines simple black and use some washi tape on the side. This is washi tape from a pack I got at Joann's, and I can't think of the name of them, but there was a lot of florals and I loved them. But the green was just the color I wanted. And I decided to do the center with flowers. I really wanted to do mushrooms because when I was walking this week out on my property, I found this stick. And it has these 2 bitty mushrooms. I don't know if you can see them. 2 bitty mushrooms on there. They're they're pretty dried right now, and they were probably pretty dried when I picked them up. But they would inspire me to do some mushroom drawing. So let's get on with the planning. So today is St. Patrick's Day. I do have some Irish, a little bit of Irish. The rest of the week, on Tuesday, it's the vernal equinox, or for some, the first day of spring. And I may be off a day. It may actually be the 20th. I get my days mixed up with that. We are still on grandbaby watch. He has not announced his coming yet. He is being stubborn, I guess. So mom and dad are waiting, trying to be patient. Let's see, that's 20. So next Sunday's the 24th. 26, 27. And not next Sunday, the Sunday after is Easter. So I think this is Easter weekend. As far as anything going on, that'll be where the early release is. At the end of this, so this week I'm doing these 2 weeks together. Next week, I'm hoping to do a process video. And then the following week, I will do the Easter and April page. The Easter and the beginning of April page. So that will be my next. But I'm hoping to do, like, next week, instead of doing a planner page, that I will do a process video of some of my other, or one of my other journals that I've been working in, so you can see the other things that I do. Let's see, for goals, I'm going to turn this just a little bit. Sorry about that. My goals: to be more active, trying to get more steps in. Also be mindful and make good choices. And that's food-wise, everything-wise. Also, I want to drink more water and continue to get outside in nature. I love to see the flowers and everything growing anyway, so I do like to walk around. Right now we aren't touching anything because it's so wet, but yeah, we will be getting back into gardening and getting the flower beds and things done. We're also working on painting the room that my son and his girlfriend moved out of so that we can have guests stay that are coming. And then my mindset. And my mindset focus is on art. I want to call it art therapy, but it's journaling and drawing and creating and painting and junk journaling and anything like that that makes me feel creative. Get my creative outlet. Oh, it's starting to rain. Oh, there's something about a spring rain. All right, so what the last thing I was putting down here is journaling, art therapy, painting, doing my class that I'm really enjoying. And this week's was really mixing in a bunch of different things, using textures. They're using tea bags, which I've done a whole thing on using tea bags and stamping on them. Using tissue paper, napkins, things like that in your junk journaling or your art journaling even. So this is what these 2 pages are. Let me know what you'd like to see for this next video that I'm going to do this next week to come up next Sunday. I'm not going to put out another planner because this is the two days. I will update on what this is looking like because I am going to put in, like on this page, I have some of the white marks and some of the deeper black marks and things to give the flower dimension on the cone and the petals. Anyway, I'll do some of that here, so I will update you on that. I do like the way this came out. It's simple, but I don't know. I do love the greens. This time of year, you know, we all appreciate seeing green grass and flowers again, and hear the birds, and even the rain this time of year feels fresh. Let me know what you'd like to see. Otherwise, I'll try to do a bit of a process in my junk journal, I think, versus my planner. So it will be a junk journal with me rather than a plan with me. All right. Hope everyone is having a great week, and I hope this next week is sunny and full of joy and all those good feelings that you can get. You know, you can handle everything that comes your way. I know you can. We've all got that strength inside of us. So hang in there, and I love you, and I hope to see you next week. Thank you.